No photos available or no content available message in the Photos widget on your iPhone. It can be annoying, especially when you expect to see your favorite pictures. This usually happens due to incorrect settings or syncing issues. Here is how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Enable iCloud Photos. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Tap iCloud. Then tap on Photos. Ensure that iCloud Photos is enabled. If it's already enabled, toggle it off and then turn it back on to refresh the sync. Solution 2. Enable featured content. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Photos. Scroll down to the bottom until you see the option called Show Featured Content. Toggle the switch to On. After that, restart your iPhone. This will allow your Photos app to display memories and featured photos in the widget. Solution 3. Remove Photos apps from your background and re-add widget. Swipe up from the bottom to open the app switcher. Now remove the Photos app. After that, long press on the Photos widget on your home screen. Tap Remove Widget and confirm the removal. Add the Photos widget again. Press and hold to an empty area of your home screen until the app starts wiggling. Tap the edit icon in the top left corner. Tap Share. Search for Photos widget and select it. Choose your desired widget size and tap Add Widget. This refreshes the widget and may solve the issue. Solution 4. Give Reset All Settings to reset photo settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the No Photos Available or No Content Available message in your Photos widget on your iPhone. The issue still isn't resolved. You may need to contact Apple support for further help.